Hello everyone, I am Ankita Sharma, student of B.Tech Biotechnology, second year, going to present the topic Importance and Scope of Fruit Cultivation. I would like to thank my course instructor, Dr. Prashant Bakshi, for guiding me. So let's start the presentation. Content: Introduction, Overview, Importance, Economic Importance, Nutritional Importance, Fruits as source of vitamins, Medicinal importance, and scope. Introduction: Fruit growing is one of the important and age-old practices practiced in India since ancient times. Cultivation of fruit crops plays an important role in overall status of the mankind and the nation. The standard of living of the people of a country is depending upon the production and per capita consumption of fruits. Fruit growing has many economic and nutritional advantages. Overview: India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. India's major exports include onion, mango pulp, dried walnuts, fresh grapes. India's share in the global market is insignificant. It accounts for 1.7% of the global trade in vegetables and 0.5% in fruits. As per National Horticulture Database published by National Horticulture Board, during 2019 to 20, India produced 102.03 million metric tons of fruits and 188.91 million metric tons of vegetables. Now coming to the next topic, importance. Economic importance, high net profit. Though the initial cost of establishment of an orchid is high, it is compensated by the higher net profit due to higher productivity or higher value of produce. Example: wheat or ragi at 3 to 4 tons per hectare at rupees 25,000 to 35,000. Second, source of raw material for agro-based industries. Fruit farming provides raw materials for various agro-based industries, canning and preservation, coir industries, pharmaceutical industry, transporting and packaging industries, etc. Third, efficient utilization of resources. Growing of fruits, being perennial in nature, enables grower to remain engaged throughout the year in farm operations and to utilize fully the resources and assets like machinery, labor, land, water for production purpose throughout the year compared to agronomic crops. Nutritional importance. Importance of fruits in human diet is well recognized. Man cannot live on cereals alone. Fruits are essential for balanced diet and good health. Nutritionist advocates 60 to 85 gram of fruits. Fruits are good source of vitamins and minerals without which human body cannot maintain proper health and develop resistance to disease. They also contain pectin, cellulose, fats, protein, etc. Fruits as source of vitamins. Vitamin A. It is essential for normal growth, reproduction and maintenance of health and vigor. It affords protection against cold and influenza and prevents night blindness. Source: mango, papaya, jackfruit, banana, dates. Vitamin B. It plays a vital role in maintaining good health and well-being. Vitamin B have a direct impact on energy levels, brain function and cell metabolism. Source: cashew nut, almond, banana, apple, bay, lychee, papaya and pomegranate. Vitamin C. This vitamin promotes general health and healthy gums, prevents scurvy, which is characterized by pain in joints and swelling of limbs. Source: citrus fruits, pineapple, pear, guava, strawberry, tamarind, etc. Fruits are also a source of minerals such as calcium, iron, phosphorus, and these are contained by the fruits almond, cashew, guava, jamun, fig, karonda, and mango. Fruits also contain some digestive enzymes. Medicinal value of fruits. The fruits like amla, pomegranate, kokum, Jamun, bale, bear have great medicinal values. Papaya reduces night blindness. Citrus fruit juices helps to overcome diarrhea. Aula trifle, also known as chawanprash, helps in digestion. Jackfruit prevents heart diseases and strokes. Scope. As far as scope is concerned, the production of fruits increased to a large extent. India is an ideal country as all the important fruits can be produced due to varied soils and climatic conditions. So, to avoid glut in the market, they can be processed, preserved, and enjoyed in off season. Different byproducts can be prepared from fruits. By growing fruit, farmers get more income from the field as they are cash crops. There is tremendous production of fruits in a shorter period. First, urbanization and change in food habits. Increasing urbanization due to industrial growth has increased demands for fruits. Change in food habits to organic food is also being noticed due to education and assured income, which has also helped in increasing demands for fruits. Second, scope for increasing area under dryland fruits. It is not entirely true that all the fruits require perennial irrigation. There are many fruit trees like pear, custard apple, cashew nut, aula, etc., which are hardy in nature and can be grown under purely rain-fed conditions. In India, 86 million hectare land is available for development of sound technology of rain-fed horticulture. There is good scope to put these lands under dry land fruit crops. Third, increased transport facilities. Most of the fruits are highly perishable, having less storage life and need quick disposal after harvest. Lack of good transportation system was one of the major constraints in expansion of fruits. However, nowadays quick transport facilities by road, rail and air are available, enabling growers to transport fruits to long distance markers in good condition in a short period of time. Very high production and suitability of climate for fruits. The productivity of horticultural crops is much more than other crops like cereals, pulses, etc. from the same piece of land. India is bestowed with diverse climatic conditions such as tropical climate, temperate climate, and subtropical climate, which are feasible for almost all the fruit crops. Fifth, increasing cold storage facilities and pre-cooling centers. Fruits are highly perishable and have less shelf life. During the peak harvesting period, the market gluts reduce prices of fruits. Cold storage facilities help to regulate market supply and stabilizes the market rate. Similarly, to extend shelf life, pre-cooling after harvest is necessary. Sixth, scope for agro-based industries. Even after so much of industrial progress, our country depends on agricultural sectors for employment. Development of agro-based industries to generate employment is a must to keep our economy sound. Employment generation. Agricultural sector needs more skilled labor forces to conduct the daily activities. The labor supply in India is much cheaper than the other countries, hence providing greater opportunities for maintaining the different activities of the farm. Here are the two pictures. First one is showing the production share of major fruit crops in India in 2012 to 13, and the second one is showing major fruit producing countries in the world in 2012 and 13.